Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're looking at another sleeve of Cubans. This is the Hoyo De Monterrey, Hoyo De Rio Seco. These are, I guess, one of their more sleeped on sticks, but I've heard really good things, and I like the size of these. So we're gonna give them a go and see what they're like. Take a look inside. Ooh, look at that. The smell that comes off of the cigar is incredible. It's got that nice dark wrapper on it. So here, take a look at the band real quick. Series La Hoyo. So let's get a humidity on this one. They just showed up. They were in the mail for quite some time. So let's see what we're dealing with here. So we are 61 at the foot. And hard cap. Oh, there we go. 67 at the cap. So I want to drop the humidity on these. I'm probably going to pull these ones out of the tubo. 68, yeah. So we're going to get these in the Tupperware with a 62% Boveda. Drop the humidity on these, and then I'm going to let these ones in particular sit for probably at least 6 months before I crack into them. And then we'll see how long I can, last with aging these. I'd love to kind of see how these develop over the years. Here's a shot of the tubo itself. But there you go. There's a shot of the La Hoyo De Rio Seco. We will see you guys for the next one. Bye.